I'm in a 2014 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you to add brake fluid. So first you want to make sure this hood's open. Then we'll go right here. You should see a brake fluid cap, which you can get to by opening this. It should be under a slight amount of pressure, so you'll push down slightly and twist to get it off. And before you add, you're going to look around on the sides for this max line, and it should be kind of a minimum, but you want it pretty close to the max for your full. And then you might be able to pour directly into it with a smaller jug or with like a funnel. That way you don't have to remove this, but you can get rid of this bezel as well if it's needed to just unscrew these, and it pops right out. But assuming you need some, also double check with your owner's manual and a good online source that you're using the best possible brake fluid to add to this. But when you're ready, you just twist this off. Shouldn't take too many screws to get it. Alright, now that it's off, again, you just pour straight into this until you get to the right level. You want a little bit of air in there, so you don't want to full completely. When you're done, just screw this back on. Make sure it's nice and tight, since the system is under pressure and you don't want this cap coming off or anything else falling in there while you're driving. But that's it. And then as every system, double check there's no leaks or anything like that, because if there are, you want to address that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.